guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Dreamboatsneha. In today's tutorial, I'm going to do a glamorous festive look makeup. So keep watching this video. I'll be using my PAC eyeshadow palette and I'll use purple, pink and golden shades from this palette to create my eye look. I'll take purple color in a flat brush and I'll start from the outer corner of my eyes and I'll move till 3/4 portion of my eyes, filling my eyelid on the way. You can see this purple shade is quite pigmented, and then I'm using the same shade to fill my lower lash line like this. Then I'm taking this pink color on my different flat brush and I'll start filling my eyelid, leaving some space in the inner corner of my eyes and going till where I've started my purple eyeshadow. And then I'll blend this pink and purple color together so that they look blended seamlessly. After blending these two colors together, I'll apply this under my lower lash line as well, smudging it with the purple shade. Alright, then I'm taking this gorgeous golden shimmery shade from my palette and I'll be applying it on my inner corner of my eyes, and then I'll also use the same shade to highlight my brow bone area, just like this. And then I'll blend it together with my pink eyeshadow so that they all look seamless. And then I'll repeat the same steps on my other eye. Then I'm taking this black eyeliner from Sugar brand. This is one of my favorite eyeliner because it has a very thin brush applicator and this makes it very easy to apply your eyeliner, as you can see. And I have applied a winged eyeliner. Then I'm taking my eyelash curler to curl my eyelashes, just to give my lashes a little bit more oomph before I can move forward with my mascara. I'll scoop this eyelash curler twice or thrice to curl my eyelashes. And then I'm going with my favorite mascara. This is from Maybelline Sensational. I'll apply it on my upper lashes. This is one of my favorite mascara because it instantly gives the volume to my lashes, and I don't need to apply multiple layers to get the volume that I need. And after applying it on my upper lashes, I'll apply it on my lower lashes. For my eyebrows, I'm using Brow Chica Wow eyebrow pencil from Nykaa. First I'll be using its brush applicator and then I'll move ahead with the pencil side to give the shape to my eyebrows as I desire. And then I'll move forward with the brush side to soften the edges so that there's no harsh line visible on my eyebrows. Also girls, this is not one of my favorite eyebrow pencil because I didn't like the brush applicator. I felt that it was quite harsh on my eyebrows. Alright, once I'm done with my eye makeup, it's time to remove all the fall off. And I'll use a makeup remover to remove the same. For my toner, I'm taking this toner from Miniso brand and I just love this toner for my skin type. I have a dry to combination skin type and this is just the right toner for my skin type. I'll also leave the details about the same in my description below so that if you want you can check it out. So I'll massage my skin well with this toner. Then I'm taking Lakme 925cc cream, and this is in the shade beige. This shade will go with fair skin tone. If I remember correctly, then this range comes with the 2-3 shade options. So I recommend you to check your shade before buying this CC cream. I've applied the CC cream in dots all over my face, and I'll also apply the same on my neck as well. And I'll use my fingers to blend this. It's quite easy to blend and you won't require a brush to blend it. If you have a very dry skin type, then I would recommend you to apply a moisturizer before applying the CC cream. Also, you can see it has given me quite a good coverage and it has instantly brightened up my face. So key to a good base is blending. So I'm blending it well using my fingers. For my concealer, I'm taking Instant Age Rewind from Maybelline in the shade beige. Using a concealer brush, I'll apply it underneath my eyes, on the tip of my nose, and by the sides of my lips. To hide uneven skin tone on my forehead, I'll apply a bit of concealer on my forehead and I'll blend it using the same concealer brush. Then I'll be applying the concealer on the bridge of my nose to highlight my nose. And now it's time to blend my concealer. It's quite easy to blend my concealer using the same concealer brush. The trick that I'm going to use in this tutorial is, first I'm going to blend my concealer using this concealer brush, and then for that perfect seamless look I'll be using my fingers to blend it further. And you can see it's quite easy to blend my concealer using my fingers, and it will help me in giving that flawless seamless look. And then to set my makeup, I'll take Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 15. With the help of a fluffy brush, I'll first apply it underneath my eyes and then I'll move further to apply it all over my face. This step will assure that my makeup stays as put for a long time. For my lips, I'm taking this liquid lipstick from Sugar brand. It is in the shade Tan Fan. This is very beautiful shade of pink and fuchsia mixed together, and I think this shade is just so beautiful for any festive look. And I think this shade will look gorgeous on fair to medium skin tone. Then I'm taking this palette from Makeup Revolution brand. It is Pro Glow 2 palette and it has many gorgeous shades. So I'm using the bronze shade for contouring. And then I'll take this pink shade from my palette on my fluffy brush to apply blush on my cheeks. This is a very light pink glittery shade. And then for my highlighter, using the golden shade from my palette, using a fan brush, I'll apply this highlighter on my cheekbones. And then I'll blend it together with the highlighter that I've applied on my brow bone area. And then I'll apply it on the bridge of my nose and on my cupid area. And girls, you can see it has given a beautiful glow to my face. To set my makeup, I'm taking the setting spray from NYX brand. And I'll spray it all over my face and then I'll let it get dry. So girls, this is my final makeup look and I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up And do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. And you can also follow me on Instagram with the same name, Dreamboatsneha. So I guess I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye.